Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to highlight this pink electric Smith Corona. Came in for repair. Purchased by, a 10-year-old girl who found it at like a flea market type place. She found it really cheap because it was a disaster. It was dirty, didn't work. A lot of the links here were off in the keys. The links were bent, binding. The whole segment was bound up with old oil. It also had a cord. This is the one. I've got a couple other videos of stuff I've done on this machine. I had the worst cord I've ever seen. It looks like not original cord. It's not an original end, but it is brittle and just a hazard. So first thing we did was, of course, replace the cord. It's a nice long black one that looked like it matched the machine pretty good. And then it also needed a rear belt that was frayed, ready to break, and also warped with that permanent bend in it. So that's been done, and the segment in here is all cleaned up. Everything in here is perfect now. Good working machine. Keyboard is excellent now. It was piled with dirt inside of here. Got the nice matching pink space bar. Machine really came out good. Really came out good. Let me do one thing here on camera that I'm going to reverse. It's got these have a safety switch right here, so you can turn the machine when the lid's open. The machine turns off. A mechanic's trick is you take this little switch and you bend it that way underneath this frame, and that way you can operate the machine with the lid open. All you got to do to reverse it is take that and bend it back just slightly, like that. And now she's operating again as a safety switch. So that's back in order after all the service has been done on this. And let's type a little bit on this, because this is really a good typer. I knew it was going to come out good after I looked it over thoroughly. I knew it was going to come out all right. These are great machines to begin with. The manuals are great. The electrics are even greater. Pretty nice. Nice even print. So we did a lot of stuff to this. Underneath here is back looking good. Machine is running. It's super quiet for this model. Undercarriage is great. This is how we finished a detailed job on this. We took the case off and scrubbed it thoroughly. It was a disaster. That's on a separate video. I also have a cord replacement on another video. And then we also showed on this exact machine how to flush the segment and clean the type. On this machine we got a nice black and red ribbon on here. Let me take these. I put these pieces of tape on here to hold the spools on when the machine was out of the case, and I didn't want the ribbons to fall off. Let me take those out of there while I'm thinking about it. So the side's also got a piece of blue tape on here. Yeah, there we go. Let's get this out of here. And that way those spools wouldn't fly off when I tilted the machine on its back with the ribbon in there. So get this out of here. There we go. And put the spool back in. So we kept the same vintage spools and just rewound the ribbon onto the spools. We formed the return arm up. It was scraping here. Fixed the lettering that was collapsed. Cleaned all these rollers back on the carriage thoroughly. Replaced the rubber bushings at all the case mounts down here in the back. Everything's been attended to on this machine. Seems like we did more than that. Oh yeah, the escapement paw was making too much noise, so I repaired that. And the feet had some type of tape on them. Got that all squared away. So, this is ready to go. Again, what a beauty. Look at this guy. Or, as they call this, good old Sue. This is good old Sue. So, that's what we're going to call her. Good old Sue. So, oops. Yes, my name is Good Old Sue. Have a great day. Phoenix Typewriter out.